If your MacBook Pro is running hot, follow these practical steps to lower core temperatures. Monitor temperatures with Activity Monitor or Intel Power Gadget to see core and power usage in real time. Identify heavy apps and quit or force quit resource hogs to reduce CPU load immediately. Adjust energy saver settings. Enable automatic graphics switching and reduce display sleep time. Keep macOS updated because system updates often include power and thermal management improvements. If problems continue, reset the SMC and PRAM following Apple's official steps to restore power controls. Physically clean vents and fans. Power down, then use compressed air and a soft brush to remove dust. Inspect vents and ports closely. Blocked airflow from debris or stickers can raise core temperatures quickly. Place your MacBook on a quality cooling pad or elevated stand to improve airflow and lower baseline temps. Limit background processes by uninstalling unused apps and disabling heavy browser tabs and login items. Remonitor temperatures after each change to confirm improvements and find the most effective fixes. Repeat these checks regularly to keep your MacBook Pro running cooler and more reliable.